In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a game in Google Slides, a fun and interactive way to create games using just Google Slides. Whether you're a teacher looking to make learning more engaging, a student wanting to impress with a creative project, or simply someone eager to explore your creative side, this tutorial is perfect for you. First, let's head over to Google Slides. If you're new, Google Slides is a free web-based application within the Google Drive suite, and it's where we'll be building our game. Once on the homepage, sign in with your Google account. This step is essential because it allows your work to be automatically saved and accessed from any device. Once signed in, go to the main Google Slides homepage where you'll see options to create a new presentation. You can either select blank presentation to start from scratch or choose a template if you want a head start with some design elements. For this tutorial, we'll stick with a blank presentation to give you full creative control. Now that your blank slide is ready, it's time to add the elements for your game. Click on Insert in the top menu. Here, you'll find tools to add text, images, shapes, and more. For this game, click Image and then select Search the Web. This lets you find and insert images directly into your slide without downloading them first. Let's search for a maze. Choose an image you like and insert it onto your slide. This maze will be the primary interactive element, providing a challenge for players to navigate. With your maze in place, you can add instructions, objectives, and other interactive elements. Use arrows or pathways for clarity, or add shapes and text boxes to create game rules or challenges. The goal is to clearly show how players should interact with your slide. And that's it. You've created a simple game in Google Slides. This is just the foundation. You can expand it by adding more slides, using transitions, layering elements, or incorporating multimedia to make your game even more dynamic and interactive. Keep experimenting with different elements because that's where the real creativity and fun come in. Have a great time designing and playing your Google Slides game. Your creativity is the only limit. Happy presenting.